In this video, I will show you how to get long arms in Gorilla Tag on Steam VR. Launch Gorilla Tag in Steam VR. Open the settings menu from the main screen. In the settings menu, navigate to the video tab. Hover your mouse over the advanced settings option. Ensure advanced settings is set to show. Click on per application video settings. In the new window, locate the drop down menu at the top. Select Gorilla Tag from the list. Scroll down to override world scale. Make sure it is set to normal. Use the slider to adjust the value. Set it to 70% or 80% for optimal long arm effect. Click close to save your settings. Jump back into Gorilla Tag and enjoy your longer arms. That's it. You have now learned how to get long arms in Gorilla Tag on Steam VR. If this video helps, like, share, and subscribe.